Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon automobile. We're getting ready to go into the post office to get these knives sent out. I apologize to the winners here for just now getting to these, but I'm going to be honest, I had to wait till I had money to pay for the shipping. So I'm going to continue this video once I get these mailed out and give some shout outs and let everybody else know who the winners were, and this special package over here means a lot to me. So I'll be back with a continuation of this video. Okay guys, continuing from the video I started this morning, I mailed out the prizes from the knife giveaway. I'm sorry it took a while to get those out. Like I said this morning, I really just didn't have the money to pay the postage until today. So happy Friday, had money, got it taken care of. All you winners should be receiving your knives Monday, I believe the 3rd, Monday the 3rd. If not, within a day or two after that. I want to thank everybody that participated in that. I'm going to be doing some editing and adding winners and their YouTube pages and some of their comments. And I think the turnout was pretty good. I mean, I don't think I had more than 10 or 15 people attending the live. A couple people have told me that Facebook didn't give them a notice or whatever. And I apologize for that, but that's out of my hands. I want to thank two guys in particular that won, and I'm gonna give them a shout out here. Radio Geek Blades, he won a knife, and another fellow, Jerry Deneen, not Big J, a different Jerry. I think Jerry's Denon and this other fellow's Deneen. Jerry Deneen posted up here. He made a comment before the drawing. He put in his comment. He put all the winning correct information in there. But then he also stated that he really wasn't going to do it. But he changed his mind, and he decided that if he did win anything, he wanted to donate it to Jesse Turner, young man over at Wheels and Blades that's in a wheelchair. And I'm going to post his comment again up here somewhere. And I mean, that really meant a lot to me, because I do what I can to help out Jesse, and it just meant a lot that he wanted to do that before the contest even started. And then Radio Geek Blades jumped in there when he got his, and he said he would like to send his over to Jesse as well. So Jesse got a nice knife from Radio Geek Blades and the grand prize from Jerry Deneen. And I just thought that was super cool. It really meant a lot to me that these fellas cared enough to help out, Mr. Jesse over there. And everybody else got their stuff sent out. And I hope everybody enjoys them. I appreciate all the support from everybody. And with that being said, again, I'll have all the winners posted up there, and I'm going to put links to all their individual pages and stuff in my description or in the title. Now, excuse me for being kind of scattered around here. Work on a little project. But all their information will be on here. And those fellows that have YouTube channels, please go like and subscribe on their sites if you have not already. Pretty much anybody that is on my site is already a subscriber to most of these other fellows anyway. So that's going to be up there for everybody to share. The project I'm working on right now, this is an Imperial camp knife. Still has a patent number on the can opener. This knife tang stamp was used between 1955 and 1985, I believe, was the dates on that. But this particular knife, I picked it up flea market, yard sale or something. And at work the other day, a young man told me his son was in Scouts. It's Adventures or something. It's a church-based scout group. And but they, just like Boy Scouts of America, they have merit badges and patches they have to earn. And one of the ones he was excited about is getting his whittling chip or equivalent that allows them to carry a knife. And they've had to have supervision and training and lessons in practical use and safe ways to handle the knife and how to sharpen a knife, and so on and so forth. But he gets his patch. I think he got his patch or his card that allowed him to carry the knife. I believe he got that today. His name is Joseph. He's 10 years old. I talked to his father, and I told him that if he didn't mind, I would like to give him a camping scout style knife. And this is an old Camp King by Imperial, and it is in fantastic condition. I mean, it's even at 1988, it's what, 38 years old, something like that. I don't know. I haven't done the math. I'm just kind of spitballing it there. It's 30-some years old at minimum, and it's probably late 70s, early 80s when this was made and sold. So it's got a little bit of age to it, and I think that I know the dad will appreciate it, but hopefully the young Mr. Joseph will appreciate it and respect it, take care of it, grow to love it. My little saying that I tell a lot of people, in the 30-plus years that this knife's been out here floating around on this world, a lot of people have probably touched this knife. A lot of people probably put their hands on it, held it, owned it, sold it, whatever. A lot of people have touched this knife. But more importantly, this knife has probably touched a lot of people. Not just in a physical way, but, this may have been some young scout's first knife, or some fella like me that just really appreciates the usefulness of a camp knife with all the different tools on it. But yeah, I hope he's going to enjoy this, and I will maybe do a short when I give this to his daddy. Might post that. The knife's not in absolute perfect condition when I got it. The blade was a little scarred up here, but nothing that we can't live, you know, he'll be just fine. So there we go, folks. Look for the video, follow up on this. Well, sorry, folks. You have to excuse Mr. Monty there. My daughter came home and was teasing him by rattling the door, so he had to sound off a little bit. But here we go. This knife's cleaned up, plenty of good snap, ready to give to young Mr. Joseph. So please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go visit these folks I've highlighted on this video. Thank you. Until I see you again, have a beautiful day.